So I've got here a travel extension lead with two USB-A's, one USB-C with 20 watts fast charging, and let's check it out, unbox it, and plug it in. That's the box, really easy to take it out. Nice, protected, really cool. So we've got this band to keep it tight together. Let's take this one out. So we've got two plugs here. We've got two USB-A's and one USB-C, and you can actually see that this is 20 watts fast charging, and then we have 5 volts and 3.4 amps, I believe, on the other two. So it's nice because you have like this rolling. You can just roll it on here, which is really good, and the cable is about 1.4 meters long, which is really good. And you also have like a manual here as well, but you don't need one for a plug, most likely. Yeah, so let's plug it in and check it out. Also, you can see this cable is quite strong, rubber feet on the bottom, so it will stick quite well on the table. So I have here a tablet that uses USB-C, and we'll first check this one, the fast charging one. And as you can see, started charging. Then we can check this one. It's plugged in and it has a USB-C port right here, and charging. And then I have a USB-A to USB-C cable as well, and I'm gonna connect it right here, and then on a USB-A port right here. Maybe if we take this one out first. So on a USB-A port, and it's charging as well. Also, let's check the other plug as well. Charging as well. So after you finished, you just roll it back and you plug it in. And then you put the strap on. Done.